Welcome back. You're still tuned into Power Breakfast on CNBC-TV18. This is time for our Power Prep segment. We now have our research team joining in with what the trade setup is looking like, the stocks that are likely to be in the news, and all the action from the F&O space as well. Hey guys, a very good morning to all of you. Ekta, let me come across to you first up. Looks like another down day for our own markets.
Morning. Well, yesterday, yes, the markets did trade flat after what was a range-bound session. The broader markets did outperform. The markets seem to have shrugged off concerns which have been weighing continuously on our markets in the past couple of weeks, such as higher rates from the Fed, crude prices, as well as the recent FII selling. But that seems to have resurfaced in today's trading session. In fact, talking about the FII figure, they net sold over 2,300 odd crores in yesterday's trade as well. The II's net bought around 1,580 odd crores. But the larger picture to concentrate on is also factors such as the inclusion of India bonds in the JP Morgan EM index. We just heard Jamie Dimon say that it will enable additional foreign inflow of around $25 billion. So the larger sentiment positive, and whether that turns for our markets on a sustainable basis in the next couple of trading sessions is something to watch for. US markets closed higher. Asia is mixed. Gift Nifty is indicating a weaker start. Macros, the German yields have hit 11-year highs. Inflation from Singapore, Australia, Japan will be watched, and US GDP as well as initial jobless claims down the week.
Okay, all right. That's the market setup. Thank you, Ekta, for joining us with that. A lot of stocks on our radar. Abhishek has that list.
Well, to begin with Tata Steel, Moody's have upgraded Tata Steel to investment grade with a Baa3 issuer rating. Outlook remains stable. RPP Infra Projects, they have won orders worth rupees 482 crores. GR Infra Projects, they are L1 bidder for 2 ropeway projects in Uttarakhand on hybrid annuity mode. Salazar Techno, they have commissioned new zinc galvanization plant of an annual capacity of 96,000 metric tons. Mankind, they have commenced commercial operations at their Udaipur plant. Apar Industries, they are holding a board meet on 28th of September to consider fundraising. DB Realty, they'll invest about rupees 2,300 crores or more in hospitality assets. Now, Welspun Corporation, they plan an investment or capex of about 350 crores in Telangana for water tanks and PVC pipes facilities. Wipro, they have sold buildings and a 14-acre plot in Chennai for a consideration of more than rupees 266 crores. Back to you.
All right, those are some stocks that are on our radar today, but let's talk about all the cues from the F&O space as well. Manglam is joining us now. Hey, Manglam.
Good morning. So yesterday the market was in a fairly tight band of about 130 odd points, less than a percent that is. But if you just take a look at the highs and the lows of the Nifty and equate it with the 20-day moving average and the 50-day moving average, you'd see that a lot of those moves were largely technical in nature itself. And now at 19,632 is where the Gift Nifty suggests an implied open as well. The Nifty Bank outperformed yesterday, bounced off the 50-day moving average. The question is whether it goes all the way up to that 45,000 mark, which is closer to the 20-day moving average itself or not. The FIs, they continue to sell in the cash market. Yesterday's selling makes it a 10,000 crore worth sell by the FIs in the cash market over the last 5 trading sessions. And that's not all. They also unwound a lot of positions and added a lot of short positions in index futures to the tune of 15,000 contracts. And as a result of which, their long exposure has dropped from 53% to 49%. And conversely, the short positions have increased beyond the long positions at 51% itself. But the one data point that really stands out, and this is something that will give bulls a little support, is that they've written 1 lakh puts on the short side. And most of those puts have been written on the Fin Nifty as well as the Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank options, the FI sold close to around 4,300 odd crores. And that tells you that the Nifty Bank perhaps has turned a corner, and that is something we'll be watching out for. Just the active strikes on the Nifty Bank, 44,800 put for a premium of 212 rupees, telling you that 44,600 is an important support. It is Tuesday, so it's Nifty Fin expiry. Those are the levels that you're watching out for. And for the Nifty itself, it is a range of 19,600 to around 19,800. Watch out for a couple of stocks. Delta Corp, after a big move on the downside yesterday, has come out of F&O ban. And Balrampur Chini, after a big move on the upside yesterday, has gone into F&O ban.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us and prepping us up for this trading day ahead. With that, we'll slip into another break. And when we come back, we'll get you all the cues from the commodities market. Stay tuned for that.